party about to be lit, guys. They can make a chocolate espresso martini. This is going down.
I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded.
Charlotte. Oh, that was my cue. Alright, so today is, well, it's my birthday weekend, but I celebrate every day for my birthday. Well, as of my birthday, I don't know what makes sense, whatever. So we're about to head out. We're gonna eat some brunch. You guys know I love some brunch. And shopping and yeah, partying, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlogs. I have been showing you guys everything, and yeah. Good morning. I changed like 3 times, so I need to hurry up and start doing this makeup. So let's go. This is cute, man. I like it like this.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Ashley. Happy birthday to
You better sing.
you.
Yeah. I love it. Thank you.
Nah, you good. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Aww. Okay, so I'm finally dressed. This is my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys when I get outside. Mine, I'm gonna show you outfit. She got this big jacket. Oh,
Cause it's cold in Vegas.
it's cold. It's cute though. It's cute. Whatever. I picked it out.
She bought everything from head to toe.
You already know. Okay, so we're about to leave. Yeah, I'm not bringing my camera because it's too big. It can't fit in my little tiny purse. So I'm just gonna bring my phone. I'm gonna vlog on my phone. This purse is not fitting nothing.
How long's the photo session?
It's so cute.
Come on.
You on my video?
Come on.
Looking like a pimp.
Did you say that online?
All right, no more pictures.
Let's go.
Here.
Oh, no thank you.
Are you here tonight? We got 20 straight-ins. Are you here tonight?
No thank you.
No, you're here tonight in Vegas. Let me give you some attraction. I got free attractions. Take this one. It's my single lady. I'm gonna hook you up. You're not missing everything. Everything goes out at night in Vegas. Take this.
Okay, so we're early for our reservations and they can accommodate us. I'm happy. You happy?
Yes.
All right.
Sorry about the height. It's okay.
Okay, guys. So I just ordered a chocolate espresso martini. A lot of places can't make it so long. hoping it tastes good. We still looking at the menu. I'm thinking, I don't know if I want brunch food now. I'm thinking about the chicken sandwich. That sounds good. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys our view.
Okay, I would like the turkey club.
Cheers. Yours looks good. I should got that one. All right, first bite. Let's see. What is this? Oh. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. You got to have you lit. Thank you. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Oh my God, yes. Yes.
No.
You better not. We gonna get put out of here.
Right. Oh, thank you.
You almost started right.
Okay, oh my God. Right. Right. That's true. Right.
That's
right.
true.
I am. Chocolate martini. It's a chocolate espresso martini. Okay, so somebody buy me a drink and we about to.
Woo. Okay, guys, you got me.
I'ma try.
Oh shit.
I'ma try drinking.
Thank you for the drink. Ready?
Oh my God. Okay.
All right.
Make sure you got the side.
This is grown folks.
Okay.
Woo!
Happy birthday! She tried. I tried.
Okay. Y'all gonna have.
That's gonna get you fucked up. Thank you guys.
Where you guys going tonight? Where you guys going tonight? What's going on?
Have you guys heard of any ice bars around here?
Ice bar? I've heard about it, yeah.
We want to go after if you guys want to go.
When is it? Is it tonight or?
It's like just anywhere, like it's an ice bar.
Uh-huh.
And you pay for like I think and they give you unlimited drinks and you give it like a
Oh,
Yeah, like
so
it's in the ice.
So they don't raise. It's here, yeah.
So cool.
we're looking up. Yeah, we're trying to find something.
Yeah, we're trying to find something to get into. Okay, we're gonna meet you guys down there. Good. Where are we going?
Hey guys, so I'm back at my room. I'm just having a little drink. I'm charging up my phone. My mom is out. She is. Yeah, she's done. So we're supposed to go back to the mall. The first mall we went to didn't have anything that we need. She needs some new shoes. So once our phone charged, I'm gonna wake her up and we're gonna head out. Then come back and then get